guys, today we're here with another video. Not riding, not putting on anything on my bike. We're here to meet the icon. He's picking up his C8 somewhere in Pennsylvania where I live. So we're gonna try and see it. See his C8, see him. I mean, he's little inspiration, no, major inspiration of why I started my channel. So let's find it, let's pay some homage. Come with me. Almost late. Getting the VIP experience in Mike's fucking Corvette.
TJ on street speed though.
Yo TJ, where's my ride at?
TJ on street speed. Watch out.
What are you picking up here? You get, nah, can't tell. Yeah, can't.
Can't say.
I know that he was taking pictures. I'm like, you better not post them pictures before.
Here in an hour, so.
No way, bro. Calvin, TJ, Mike, and both their new cars. Oh! TJ in the flesh.
How'd you get here?
When you meet TJ Hump and you don't know what to say because you're starstruck, insane, dude.
Probably the mode that is like, oh shit. Probably sport. Yeah. Whoa. There's a whole bunch of like, just press buttons and press the gas. Okay, whenever Matt told us not to. It's not working.
You see Leanne Fox not following?
When you're really just trying to see your favorite YouTuber drive by in a C8.